So guys, just showing you the feet, how it's looking at the moment. Not really great. Yeah, this is why I need to do this peel before I can even go to the shops and get it cleaned off. I need to do this peel. So this is it, guys. So this is what I will be using today. I read quite a number of reviews and it came up really good. So I got this from Amazon for £20. Yeah, so this is it. And I don't know whether you can read the instructions, but it says that I should soak my feet in warm water for 10 to 20 minutes to soften the skin. So that is what we are going to do first. So that's it. So feet going in. Oh, it's hot in London, so at the moment this is really hot. Not that hot, I mean it's warm, but because it's hot in London at the moment, it's quite uncomfortable. So I'm soaking it for 10 to 15 or 10 to 20 minutes, and then I'll take it out, pat it dry, and put the peel on. So guys, our 20 minutes is up, and look, the skin is indeed softened. This is without the peel, so I haven't put the peel on yet. I just soaked it in water for 20 minutes, and this is how it's looking at the moment. I know it's gross, really gross, but do pardon me. Okay guys, so it's been well over 90 minutes and it's time for this bad boy to come off. I hope my nails are not going to be broken after this, because I don't know. First impressions after taking it off. I mean, ooh, I think it's gonna start peeling off very soon, Let me do it like this. Yeah, I think it's gonna start peeling off very soon. Very soon. Look at that. Compared to before, this is really good. And then it made my feet turn yellow. Ooh, okay. So what we have to do now is to wash it.
About it. So now what we will do is to wait for the peeling process, and that can take any time between now to look at that. I think
this is 4 days post mask, and look, I can see that it's starting to peel off. Look at that. This is 4 days. Ooh, I can't wait. And then on the instructions it says put your feet in warm water for 10 to 20 minutes every day. But look, ooh, look at that. It's coming. I thought it would not come, but oh my goodness, this is going to be so epic. So feet in water for 10 to 15 minutes, like every day, but I haven't been doing it every day though. I think this is my third time. So this the day after the mask I did not do it, and then so today is the third day. Yeah, so today is the third time that I've had it in water, and it's looking great. I can't wait to start peeling this off. Oh my goodness. All right guys, so once the peeling it has started, but once I start to peel it off, I will let you guys into it. So guys, after being in water for 10 to 15 minutes, this is how the feet is looking. Ooh, I cannot wait to start peeling. I cannot wait to start peeling. Look at that. I'm so tempted, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. But look at this. Look at that. Ooh, that's some fresh meat right there. Look at that. Look, Oh my goodness, look at that. That is heaven. Ooh, that is so soft. Really soft. Oh my goodness. Oh God, this is this is heaven. This is heaven. Okay guys, so I'm back at it again. As you can see, let me take it out. Oh my goodness. As you can see, now I am almost close to perfection. Look at this. Look, just have a look at this. Goodness, see what is inside this water. My God. And I wish you guys can feel my feet. It feels like baby's bottom. Yesterday I was talking to one of my friends and I told her that my feet feels like baby's bottom. And look at this. Good. This is perfect. This is so perfect. I mean, look at that. Look at it. Oh my goodness. This is so real. I just got a few bit to go here. Just right here. And then we'll be good as gold. Trust the process, trust the process. It's long, as you can see. I have a few here. This is what I do. It's long, but guess what? You need to trust the process.